So we came up the Cathedral Rock Trail up to the waterfall, and this is closed from this point on. There's somebody up there. He's got a white shirt on. I don't know if you can see him. And there's Echo Falls. You can't see it behind the tree. It's right there. Hey YouTubers, it's Hawaii Girl of Hawaii Girl Adventures. This video is a compilation of several of my visits to Echo Falls at Mount Charleston. Mount Charleston Wilderness is located northwest of Las Vegas and is a great place to climb and hike when the temps in Las Vegas are too hot. The falls are about 8/10 of a mile from the Cathedral Rock Trailhead parking lot. As of this date, the Cathedral Rock Trail is open up to this point as well. As you saw in the beginning of this video, there is a gate that blocks off the trail at this point. This waterfall also goes by the same name in the winter when it freezes. It's a 150 feet ice climb and is 2 pitches of ice pillars. I hope to get footage of those ice pillars in the winter when it freezes. In the meantime, enjoy my video of Echo Falls. Just a trickle today. Yeah. Yep. That's all snow melt. Yeah. And look at this gully right up here. Mahalo for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. Aloha!